Thanks for coming out. My name is Mr. Smith, and I own Gears and Gas Garage. Look around and check out my shop. Maybe later, when you get finished, we can play some darts. Today, I'm your shop teacher, and we're going to be learning how to replace spark plugs on a motorcycle. There are several different reasons you might be replacing the spark plugs on your bike. Some of the common reasons are hard starting or acceleration and rough idling. Motorcycle manufacturers recommend inspecting the plugs every 5,000 miles and replacing them every 10,000. Doing this is going to give you a good idea of how your motor's running and also help keep the motor running at its best. Why don't you pick which bike you'd like to work on today? That's a good start. Before you begin working on a motorcycle, always wear safety glasses. Do you see the pair on the cart to your right? Can you put those on for me so we can start? Good job. Today we'll be working on a 2009 Harley Sportster, and the same steps can be used to replace the plugs on any of the Harley models. All your instructions to perform this task will be on the tablet sitting next to you on the cart. Pick it up and click on the icon that we've got to repair the bike first. Go ahead and pick spark plugs. Now we're cooking. Now that we've got this bike up on the lift, we need to clamp it down on the lift to make the job a little easier. Watch the video on your tablet, then do the same on the bike in our shop. Good job. Now, look at your tablet again and do the next step. Go ahead and pull the spark plug wires. Good job. Now you can remove each plug. The spark plugs require 1316 spark plug socket. Do you see the ratchet with the spark plug socket sitting on the cart to your right? Go ahead and pick it up. It's important to use a spark plug socket when replacing plugs to protect the porcelain insulator from getting cracked or damaged. Go ahead and put that on the spark plug and remove the spark plug. By the way, the direction you turn the ratchet makes a difference. Hey, I don't think you finished that last step. Hey, I don't think you finished that last step. As you pull each plug, it's always good to inspect them because they're usually a good indication of how your motor has been running. Since this is a carbureted bike, we'll expect to see a little more deposit on the outer shell of the plug. But the part you really want to look at is the color of the porcelain surrounding the center electrode. You're looking for a light to medium tan color, indicating you're running the proper air-fuel mixture. Why don't you hold up the spark plug you removed and compare it to the chart on your tablet? See the difference? If it's too light, almost white in color, you're likely running lean. Too dark or black, and it's likely rich. Hey, I don't think you finished that last step. It's always a good idea to apply a little anti-seize to the threads of each new spark plug, making sure not to get any on the electrode. This is to keep threads from seizing up, making each plug easier to remove next time. Go ahead and pick up the new spark plug sitting on the cart to your right. Pick up the anti-seize tube and touch it to the thread end of your spark plug. You might need to put your tablet down to do it. Perfect. The plugs are ready to be installed. Look at your tablet to see the next step. It's important to start each plug by hand to prevent any cross-threading or damage to the threads. Go ahead and put the spark plug in and twist it a couple of times. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Good job. Now pick up your ratchet again and tighten it the rest of the way. The last step is to apply a little dielectric grease to the terminal of each plug and then reinstall your spark plug wires. I've already greased the terminals for you, so just plug the wires back into the spark plugs and we're ready to fire this cycle up. Good job. We've installed a fancy... Great job. Now that you have the engine running, pick up your tablet and choose the icon Engine X-Ray. This allows you to hold the tablet up and see inside the engine while it's running. Try it out.